Hi everyone, so today we are gonna talk about the popcorn. Yeah, okay. So, So, corn was first domesticated about 10,000 years ago in what is now Mexico. Popping of the kernels was achieved by hand on the stovetop through the 19th century. So yeah, we're gonna put the popcorn inside it. Yeah, okay. The popcorn. Whee. Okay. Is there more? Oh, there's more. Okay. I think that's enough. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Okay. Then I put these up here. Alrighty, let's. Yeah, okay. Look at that popcorn. And what? Oh. Oh. Look, you see that popcorn right there? That's the popcorn. Oh, alright, we're gonna wait for a little while. So yeah, okay. If you guys want to know how to make this in your house, you guys could like I'm gonna tell you the recipes. Well, it's really not a recipe. It's just pretty simple. Like you just put like aceite inside right here. You put it on the stove, on the stove top. Yeah, and then you basically grab a bag of, like, you buy it at whichever store they have, and then you just grab a little cup and then you just pour it inside, and then you put this inside the the stove top, and then yeah, the popcorn is about to go up, so you can like eat it, and then yeah, let's see. Oh, top. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Look at it. Just, okay. We are gonna wait for a second. And yeah, we're gonna wait for a second. Yeah. Whoop. Hear that sound? I thought that was. I like that part right there. Like, kind of. I just like it. Let's check it out. Oh, look at that popcorn. Oh. Okay, we're closing it. Okay. Oh, wow, that does smell like popcorn. That popcorn, that one fell out. Oh, look. See that? The poppy, yay. So this, guys, this is not like the other popcorn. This is different. This is like the old popcorn that they were made, but this is like the old, like how they used to do it. But then they came out the other one, and the other one, like, they already did it for you. Just like you have to clean it up. Oh, look at that. Then if you guys want, you guys could like put some salt on it when it's finished, so you could just leave it right here. So basically what you guys need for the recipe is like aceite and some of the popcorn. Is this it's ready. Oh wow. Oh, it looks much better from here. Oh yeah, you guys, I almost forgot. I'm about to tell you, on summer that's coming up, I know this is still a little bit more time, but summer that's coming up, oh wow, that's a lot of popcorn. On summer, I'm gonna make a video, on Soak City. I'm gonna go on water slides, on the wave rides, and all that other stuff. Uh-oh. Alright, everyone. Alright, that's good. Look at that. Popcorn, ta-da. This is a beautiful popcorn. Oh wow. I'm just gonna plate. Alright. It's falling down. Don't worry, guys. Alright, we're gonna get a little spoon. We're gonna get a spoon. We're gonna get a spoon. Okay. Yeah. Wait. This right over here. Okay, never mind. It didn't work. Okay. There. That's it. That's all the popcorn. Oh wow. Oh wow. That scared me. Okay. Uh-oh. Some popcorn is falling down. Lord. Oh, I got a bird. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna turn this off right here. Yep, it's turned off. Okay, let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat. Look at that. Wow. So you guys, remember, don't miss this video about Soak City. It's gonna be like the best. So please don't miss it. Watch all my videos. And yeah, subscribe if you guys want. You could do this at your house. You guys want, you could do this at your house. I would grandma's house, wherever you guys want to do it. Just to remain. Oh. Okay. Oh wow, there's still more. Right. Okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. Wow. Best popcorn. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching my video on my channel. Now, so remember, keep watching and press those subscribe buttons. Alright, me signing off. See you guys.